And we're back by popular demand, season 2 of the FTMO trading challenge. In this series, I'm gonna go through what I did in the last series as well, but this time I'm a bit better of a trader with Forex now. So you're not gonna see me fail time and time again, hopefully. I'm gonna take the FTMO challenge, the 100k challenge. I'm gonna walk you through the process as to the trades I took, how I took them. We're gonna go through my metrics, the trade breakdowns, and then you're gonna see me get funded, hopefully. And then also I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna make money on my small IC markets accounts to fund my FTMO challenge account. So I won't spend any of my own money. I've got a small £200 account, $200 account with IC market that I'm going to try and flip with a bit more aggressive trading. But I'm not flipping it to make the money. I'm just flipping it so I can have enough money to pay for my FTMO challenges. So therefore, I won't have to use any of my own money. So I'm going to walk you through the process of the first trades I've taken, and we'll see how it's going. So without further ado, let's go. Hi guys, it's Any, aka the NocTrader, your friendly neighborhood swing trader, back again with another video. Remember to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that alert button to get alerts on all my latest videos. FTMO challenge. Alright, so I've taken a trade. I'm going to show you the trade I've taken, and I'm just going to show you what I'm doing on IC market. So let me show you the trade I've taken so far. So this trade is on the UK, or the FTSE 100. FTSE 100 is really slow, but I saw opportunity here. There's like a bull flag, so price climbed up. This is on the 4-hour chart. Let me show you on the 4-hour chart. Price has been climbing for, it took 9 days to go 300 pips, and I believe it's going to do the same again. So that's going to be about 900 days to go 300 pips. Now, once again with the bull flag, this distance that it went, it's parallel to this distance. And what I found is that the end of the bull flag here would be at 7480, and on the weekly chart, or even on the daily chart, better yet, there's a lot of inefficiency between this area here. So this was where price kind of plummeted. This is right before COVID, and the COVID just saw the market just nosedive. So there's a lot of inefficiency between the current price and the target. So I believe the price is going to climb and fill that gap over the next 7 to 10 days. I took a really great entry. Now old me, as I said, would have just taken a long and then just set my stop loss below here. So I would have probably just taken a long here, anywhere here, and then set my stop loss just underneath here, and just let it climb all the way here, and that would have been like 3R or something. But using some of the smart money concept methods that I've learned over time with Vertex, and just learning about SMC in general, I took a minor structure position. So ignore these for now, the bull flag, so I can hide all of this. I saw a 4-hour order block. So price was, obviously there's bullish order flow, and you can see here that ascending wedge is forming. And if you know anything about ascending wedges, it's like price comes down and it does like A, B, C, D, and then what it should do next would be that it would go up, go like that, and just keep going up. So this is what I'm looking for, the ascending wedge. I'm looking for it to come down, up, down, up, come halfway, go up, break, and then just keep climbing. So that's another bullish sentiment that I've seen. Now, I went to get a really good entry. So what I saw was that on the 1-hour chart, I saw, okay, price climbing, it retraced back down to this order block here, did it again twice, but I missed this entry, so I didn't really get the best entry. So I thought, let me wait again. Price came up, respected this resistance line of the ascending wedge, and came back down. Now when it came back down, I saw a 4-hour order block. It's real messy, but this was like an order block in a minor structure. Obviously the major structure is here, that's what we wanted to break, but the minor structure, there's an order block here. So if you see this breaker structure, order block here. So then I went down to the 1-hour, and then I went down to the 5-minute, and what I saw on the 5-minute was you could refine it even more. So this was like the order block within the 4-hour order block, and you see price had come down to it once at 2:30, which is UK time. So then once it did that, I thought, okay, it's going to retrace back once again. Once it retraced back once again, I took a long here and set my stop loss just below it. So I got really tight stop loss. My stop loss wasn't even 30 pips, 3 pips or something. So really tight stop loss. Now I set my take profit. My take profit all the way up to 7. Well, take profit is at 7480, but really I could take profit around. I could take profit anywhere in this order block here. So from 7,400 to 7,480, I can take profit. So anywhere in this area, I can take profit. So now all it is the waiting game. So I've taken my long position, really tight stop loss. Now just wait for it to try and make its way all the way up to my my profit target, my profit area. So with this type stop loss and with this entry, I should be able to potentially get 70R, which is ridiculous. Anywhere between 50 and 70R, ridiculous returns. So between 50 and 70R is a good take home for that, for 7 days worth of trading, or with one trade. So what I did here was that I went to IC markets and I took that trade on my small account. So I got this small £200 account. I don't know if you can see that. It's $200 account. Don't know if you can see my equity. This is my equity here. So I got $269 right now in equity because I'm up. But yeah, I took the trade here, two lots. So if it hits take profit, well, my conservative take profit is 740. My extreme take profit is 7480. So 740 will bring me $500. 7480 will bring me 700. So maybe I put one at the top and one at 740. So 7 plus 5, that's what, $1,200. It'll make me if it hits take profit. So then I'll use that money to buy a 200k account, because the 200k account I believe is $1,080. So 200k account, and then I will trade, basically do the challenge with that money. So hopefully this trade pulls off, but it's a really good risk to reward. As I said, I'm risking. What am I risking? I'm risking $40 here to make $1,200. Ridiculous returns. So yeah, that's what I'm doing for IC markets to get my money up. That's why I like the leverage, 1 to 500 leverage on IC markets. But anywho, you're here to see my FTMO account. So that's the trade I took for IC markets. I also took this trade on my FTMO account. So I've already got one 100k account going. I'm down to 93k. Took a couple bad trades, but I'm alright. I'll be over it. Hopefully, I went quite big on this one. As you can see, I took the same trade on the FTMO account. So and I've risked 70 lots or 70 contracts or 7 lots. So once again, if it hits take profit, and my take profit here is what is it? 7400. So yeah, the conservative take profit is 10k and 7k. So that will hit my 10k, 7k will be 17k. I'm on 93k, so that will hit 110 straight away. I'm in the positive so far. Hopefully it hits take profit. I'm not taking any other trades. I'm gonna let this play out. It'll take about 7 days for this trade to play out. If it hits take profit, then I've passed the challenge in one go. So I'm just gonna wait 7 days and we'll see how it goes.
A few moments later.
So we're a day later, and I thought I'd give you a quick recap of how the trade's going so far. So as you can see here, just as expected, the bull flag has been broken out of, and this kind of resistance area that has been tested several times is broken through. You can also see the expanding wedge following suit. It gave you an A, B, C, D, came halfway, came up. So what I expect now to happen was probably tomorrow it's going to come back down here, retest this line, and then carry on climbing all the way up to my target area of 7400. So I'd expect something like this. Retest this line and then make its way all the way up to the target area. So on my live account, so my IC markets account, I took a secondary side trade. I don't know why I did. So I lost about 20-30 quid. So that's why my balance is at 178. But overall, I'm up 124, 128. So we're good. We're at 428 right now in equity. Once again, my take profit's at about 490. I don't know whether to keep this one at 600 or just bring it back down as well, but we'll see. I'll see where I want to put my take profit as we go along. But I've moved both my stops to break even, so they're both risk-free trades right now. So I'm just going to let them play out. And as I said, I'm going to use these funds, whatever I make from this, I'm going to use that to buy another FTMO challenge. And on my FTMO account, as you can see, we're up again. We're both up 2k, 8k, so we're about 5k up. Once again, I took another side trade. That's why I'm down to 92k, but I shouldn't be an issue. I'm not gonna take any more trades in this account apart from this. I'm gonna let this play out and then see what happens here, because we're at 92k. The cumulative total of these two trades, if they hit take profit, will be 18k, so it will pass me the challenge. But if I take any more losses, then it might not pass the challenge. So I'm just gonna leave it and let it play out. But once again, I think the price is gonna come down overnight, retest this area here. Retest this kind of area here, come back down and then go up and then make his way to 7400. So just let us see what's going on here. Just gonna let it play out, and yeah, catch me in episode 2. Any, aka the NocTrader, signing out.